Hi everyone, this is Morgan from 9 to 5 Software. In this tutorial, we are going to find out about the best accounting software for fitness centers and gyms and answer some of your most asked questions. You can find links to all the apps and services we talk about in the description. So, without further ado, let's get started. QuickBooks is probably one of the best-known names for small business accountancy software and offers a cloud-based online edition of its desktop service. There is an extensive range of different services available, and you can even create a custom package. There are so many versions of this software that giving a single review to cover all editions is beyond the scope of this article. One of the most popular options, QuickBooks Online, starts at $15 per month, which is a good starting point for self-employed personal trainers. QuickBooks users in the UK have UK-specific tools built in, such as tax tools that help to deal with HMRC. Users on the Simple Start package in the USA can track income and expenses and include many more US-specific features. Managing bills, tracking mileage, and time trackers are included, which could be a handy feature for mobile personal trainers without a set base. There's a reason why QuickBooks is a recognized leader in this space. The features offered are pervasive, particularly on the more sophisticated packages. Starting at just $12 per month, this is a tempting piece of software, but for many personal trainers, it may not be enough. That entry-level membership restricts you to sending 5 invoices and bills and reconciling a maximum of 20 bank transactions. This could be suitable for a personal trainer that's just starting. Still, perhaps there are better options or more suitable membership tiers, such as their growing plan for more experienced personal trainers. Expenses are managed particularly well on Xero with a sophisticated expenses management feature on the app. There are many options for creating reports, budgeting, and sharing the data with accountants. Highly powerful at its higher tiers, this could be an outstanding tool for the personal trainer with a well-established business. Wade is an incredibly successful cloud-based accounting service, free for accounting, receipts, and sending invoices. They support this free service through occasional adverts. However, technical support isn't included unless you pay for it. Wave is well designed, and for a personal trainer that needs quite basic features, this will do very well. As a sole trader and as a small business, it's got some thoughtfully designed elements. However, do note that you pay per transaction. If you're doing significant sales volume, such as having clients who pay per session, this could be a factor, and you may want to find something that's more competitively priced on that front. Sage is one of the original accounting software on the market and offers a 30-day free trial and paid options without gimmicks. You can do everything you might need in one location, including cash flow forecasting and even handling multiple currencies, which would be a unique feature for online trainers with international clients. The software is managed on a desktop or through a mobile app that has a user-friendly interface. It comes with plenty of web help and tutorials and includes free unlimited phone and email support 24/7. For newer personal trainers with more basic needs, there's Accounting Start, which doesn't include quotes, estimates, bills, or cash flow forecasts. Still, for personal trainers working as self-employed sole traders, this is likely to be more than adequate with the option to upgrade as your business grows.